Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the lesson The Unlucky Face. The Unlucky Face, page number 98. Now look at the picture and answer the questions given below now. Now all of you children look at the picture there. You dirty cat. Who is saying this word? This word? This man is saying, you dirty cat. See here, seeing this cat is saying, you dirty cat. Now, answer the questions given below there. Now, why do you think the man said, you dirty cat? Why do you think that the man said, you dirty cat? Why this man saying like this, you dirty cat? Because he's thinking, if he see a black cat in the morning, they are thinking that cat will bring unluck to him. That's why they are saying, he's saying, you dirty cat. Now, if you were in the man's position, how would you react? Now, how would you react if you were there in this man's position? If I were there in the man's position, I would not say like that. I would go on my work as usual. Yes or no? You are going on your work as usual. You are not saying like that words. You dirty cat. Yes or no? Now listen to your teacher as she reads a story and answer the questions given below. Listening text is in appendix 1. Now all children open page number 115 and see the here text. The unlucky face. What it is? Unlucky face means not lucky face. Which face it is? Unlucky face. If you are seeing that face, something bad is going to happen. That it is telling. If you see that face, something is going to happen. So that's why the unlucky face. Now, Hirachand, how many times I have told you not to come out early in the morning? Shouted Sundar. Who is shouting here? Sundar is shouting that Hirachand came outside. Why? Because that man's face is unlucky face. Hirachand's face is unlucky face. So that's why Sundar is shouting, why you came outside early in the morning? Now Hirachand asking, see, why, what happened? Asked Hirachand, puzzled. Now Hirachand asking, what happened? Why I should not come outside in the morning? Now yesterday my brother saw your face early in the morning and fell ill. What he is saying, this Sundar? Yesterday my brother saw your face means what happened to him? He fell ill. He fell ill. Is saying, Sundar is saying that his brother fell ill. Why he fell ill? Because he saw this Hirachand's face in the morning. That's why he fall ill. Now he couldn't eat anything throughout the day. What happened? He is not able to eat anything throughout the day. Why? Because he saw this Hirachand's face. Now, how I am responsible for that? Hirachand asking, how I am responsible for that? See, if your brother not eating means, how I will be responsible for that, about that? He is asking Hirachand. Now, aren't you? Wait, I will complain to the king. Who is saying that? Sundar is saying, aren't you? You are only responsible. You are not responsible. He is asking. Wait, I will complain to the king. See, he want to complain to the king about Hirachand. Now what for? Why you will complain? That Hirachand is asking, why you will complain? Now, to ask the king to order you not to show your face to people early in the morning. Why he want to complain? That Sundar, why he want to complain? To not come outside early in the morning and not to show face anyone in the morning. That's why this Sundar want to complain to king about Hirachand because not to show his face to people early in the morning. Now you listen the text now children. Now you answer these questions given here. Now first one, is Sundar right in cursing Hirachen? Now Sundar is cursing Hirachen. No, is it the right thing? No, it is not the right thing. Yes or no? Because he is not responsible. His face is not unlucky. That's why he is not his cursing is not good. Now second one, which of the following qualities describes Sundar? Friendly, proud, believes in baseless things, revengeful. See what is the answer here? Believes in baseless things means useless things. Now see third one, why do people believe in superstitions? Give at least 2 reasons. See, superstitions means what? Moodanamakalu. Why they are believing that then? So all people are not educated. Yes or no? That's why all people are believing superstitions. Now let's see the lesson. The unlucky face in page number 99. Now all children see the page number 99 and listen to the lesson carefully. Now there lived a merchant called Hirachen in Delhi. Now Hirachen, in which place he is living? In Delhi. Merchant means who is selling goods in large quantities. Means Hirachen selling goods in large quantities in Delhi. Hirachen was living in Delhi. Now it was said that anyone who saw his face early in the morning would not eat anything that day. What was saying? What all people, remaining people in the Delhi saying? If anyone seeing this Hirachen's face, means what happening? They are not eating. They are not able to eat anything whole day. That whole day. That's why people are saying about Hirachen that they cannot able to eat anything if they see Hirachen's face early in the morning. Now Akbar heard about Hirachen. Who is the king here? Akbar. Akbar also heard about Hirachen. Means what he heard? Means that about his face. If anyone is seeing his face, they won't eat anything whole day. That king also, Akbar also heard about this. Now Akbar wanted to know the truth. King wanted to know the truth. This king Akbar wanted to know the truth. Is it the real thing or any fake thing? Akbar wanted to know. Now what happens? See, one day when Akbar was on his way to the dining room, Hirachen was brought to him. Now see here, Akbar's coat is this. Okay, see here King Akbar, where he was going to dining room now. But who brought this? Now someone, this Sundar brought Hirachen to the court at the same time. Now at the same time a messenger came. Now messenger came. Messenger means who passes a message. Now the queen was ill. Who came here? See here, one messenger came and saying about that queen was ill. So what? Akbar left Hirachen immediately. This Akbar left this place and went to queen immediately. Now he spent the whole morning with his sick wife. Now this Akbar spent whole day with the queen only. Why? Because she fell ill. That's why he spent whole day with his wife only. Means with his queen. Now when he returned to the dining room, his meal was cold. Why it became cold? Because when he was going to eat, some messenger came and said that queen was ill. So he left immediately to the queen. That's why food became cold. Now see, he ordered a fresh meal. Now again what he ordered? Again a fresh meal. Means he want it very hot now. Now meanwhile Akbar began to feel ill. Who went to begin feel ill? Now Akbar also feeling ill, feeling sick. Till now the queen only was fell sick, but now queen also fell ill. That Akbar also fell ill means what happened? The royal doctor was called for. See, one doctor, which doctor was called. Now the doctor told Akbar to rest and not to eat anything for a day. What he said? You take rest for whole day, means total day you take rest, don't eat anything, he said, doctor. Whenever you have fever, no, you are also going to doctor, yes or no? Like that also Akbar also called a doctor. He said not to eat anything for a whole day. Now Akbar said, but I haven't eaten anything yet. What he said, Akbar? I not only ate anything, till now I didn't eat anything. Now whose face did you see this morning? Asked the doctor. Doctor what asking to Akbar? Whose face you saw? Did you see whose face? He is asking to Akbar. Now Akbar told the doctor that he had seen the face of Hirachand. Whose face he saw? Hirachand's face. See here in the picture. While he was going to dining room, this man brought Hirachand. So he saw his face. Whose face now? Hirachand's face. That's why he is saying to doctor, who I saw that Hirachand face. Akbar told the doctor that he had seen the face of Hirachand. I will put him to death, he said, because he made me to suffer. What he is saying? When doctor to doctor, that Akbar is saying, no, I saw the face of the Hirachand, that's why I fell ill. So now I will put him to death. Why? Because he made me only to suffer from fever. That's why I will make him to put him to death. He is saying Akbar wanted to put Hirachand to death because this Hirachand made Akbar to suffer. That's why he is giving that punishment. Akbar is giving that punishment to Hirachand. Now this news reached Hirachand, that Akbar is thinking no about that he want to put Hirachand to death. That news reached to Hirachand, this man. Now he was shocked that he had been punished. He fell at the emperor's feet and begged for mercy. Now see, here in the picture, Hirachand is fell at king's feet and begging for pardon. Why? Because not to give that punishment to him. Now, but Akbar would not listen. But Akbar is not listening to him. Akbar is not listening to Hirachand. Akbar want to give punishment only, death punishment only. Akbar is not listening to Hirachand. He is asking pardon also. He is not giving pardon. Now the guard was summoned and Hirachand was immediately dragged off to the prison. What happened? See here, the guard is there, no? That man took immediately the Hirachand and put into the prison. Now poor Hirachand wailed aloud in the prison. Poor Hirachand, now see here, prison, he kept in the prison. God kept Hirachand in the prison. What he doing in the prison? He is crying. Hirachand is crying in the prison loudly. Now the God took pity on him. Who took pity? See this God showing sympathy towards this Hirachand. What happened then? See, now suddenly the God had an idea. Let us call Birbal, he said. What idea he got, this God? This God had an idea. Whom we will call? We will call Birbal, he said. We will call Birbal, he will solve your problem, he is saying to this Hirachand. Now, what was Hirachand's punishment? Do you think it was right? No. Yes. Hirachand's punishment. What was Hirachand's punishment? Put him to death. Is it right thing? No, it was not right thing. Yes or no? Because that is not right punishment. Hirachand told Birbal what had happened. Birbal said, "Do what I tell you." What happened? Hirachand told Birbal. Hirachand, here is Birbal, is telling what had happened. That story totally told to Birbal. Now Birbal what is telling to this Hirachand? You do what I say. You do as I say. Okay? Now it was time for Hirachand to be hanged. The executioner asked him his last wish. Executioner means person who hangs. Now it is the time to Hirachand hanging. Now that before hanging, he asked now, what was your last wish? That he is asking now to Hirachand. Now, I would like to see the emperor. What was his last wish? Hirachand's last wish, what it was? He want to see the king. Who is the king now? Akbar is the king, said Hirachand. He want to see the king. So, now when Akbar came, Hirachand said, Your Majesty, is it true that you saw my face and did not eat anything for the day? Whom you want to see now? He want to see the king now. King came near that prison and he is asking, Hirachand is asking, Your Majesty, is it true that you saw my face and did not eat anything for the day? What he is asking? You saw my face and that's why you not ate anything for the day, he is asking. Now, yes, said Akbar. Yes, that is only true, because I saw your face, then only I would not able to eat anything whole day. He is saying, Akbar is saying, Your Majesty, said Hirachand, my fate is worse than you. I saw your face and I have to die. Hirachand, what he is telling? I saw your face today in the morning, that's why now I am going to die. Worst, my fate, my luck is worse than you. He is saying, Hirachand, what he is saying? I saw your face only, that's why I am going to die now. Someone has taught you to say this, said Akbar. What Akbar is saying? Somebody told you to tell like this, said Akbar. Now Hirachand said, I don't know anyone here. Hirachand, what he is saying? I don't know anyone here. Means anyone not told me this one, because I don't know anyone here in the kingdom. Now, but you did not think of this plan yourself, did you? Asked Akbar. Means this is not your plan, that you saw my face and now you going to die. You are saying no, that is not your plan. Somebody have told you. Now asking Akbar. Now you must have met Birbal. Akbar is saying, you met that Birbal. Now Hirachand agreed that he had met Birbal. Yes, I met Birbal. Hirachand is telling, yes, I met the Birbal. Now Birbal has saved me from killing an innocent man. Now who saved this man? Birbal saved Hirachand from death, from killing. Nice man. Now said Akbar and sent Hirachand away with gifts. Now Akbar, what he given? Hirachand, Akbar gave many gifts to this Hirachand and sent him with great. Now what is the moral of this story? Means you don't believe the superstitions. Don't believe in superstitions. This is your lesson, the unlucky face. Next part we will discuss in the next class.